versus whom. Usage. Difference. Examples. The word who should be used to refer to the subject of a sentence. Here is a quick hack. If you can replace the word with he, she, they, use who. Let's look at some examples. Who would like to go on vacation? He would like to go on vacation. Who made these awesome momo? She made these awesome momo. They told me about the situation at your home. Who told me about the situation at your home? Let's look at the next word. Whom should be used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition. If you can replace the word with him, her, them, use whom. Let's look at some examples. To whom was the letter addressed? The letter was addressed to him. Whom do you believe? I believe her. She told them about Anna's breakup with Joe. Whom did she tell about Anna's breakup with Joe? It's time to practice what you have learnt. Which one is correct? Who ate my sandwich? Or whom ate my sandwich? You have 3 seconds to guess. 3, 2, 1. I hope you chose who. The trick here is try substituting she and her. She ate my sandwich. Her ate my sandwich. She works, and her doesn't. That means the word you want is who. The next one. Who do you want to meet? Or whom do you want to meet? You have 3 seconds to answer. 3, 2, 1. I am sure you tried substituting he and him. I want to meet he. I want to meet him. Him works, so the word you need is whom. And here is the last one. I would rather have Mr. Smith as my boss. Please form a question and answer it in the comment box below. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.